Welcome back to my YouTube tutorial. This is ABN Graphics. Yes, on this particular tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to check WASSCE results or BECE results. And then on this particular listing, I have no index number to do that. So I'm just going to show you a way so that you can also follow it up. When you follow it up, you'll be able to do that in the next exams coming. So what we need to do is to just go to our this is my Google Chrome that I'm going to use. So what I need to do over here is that I'm just going to put Waec. I just want to get the portal, so I'm just going to click Waec, and then you can use Waec direct. There are certain cards you have to use Waec direct, and there are also certain cards you have to use e results to do that. You get that? So first of all, what I need to do over here is that there are certain cards you have to use e results. So first of all, let me use e results, and then when I just type in e results just like that, I'll have it just like that. Okay, then I'll click on the e results over there. And then when that is come, there is the West African Examination Council Waec e-results. So I'll click on that, and then when I click on that, you see that that particular portal will appear, and then I'll just put in my details, and that particular resource will pop up, and that ends the problem. And that one doesn't need more stress. So that is how that particular distance looks like, and it's very good to use. So first of all, you have to put the person index number. The next thing you have to reconfirm, you have to put the person index number again. First of all, put the person index number over here. You put the person index number again, and then over here you select the examination type. If you are checking for BECE school, you click BECE school, you click BECE school. When the person wrote the exams in their JSS, not the private but in their JSS, you get that. That's the first sitting. So you have to click what BECE school, and then if it's BECE private, if he follow BECE, maybe he followed the Northtech and wrote this particular distance, then you have to pick what private. And then if it's WASSCE school, you have to use WASSCE school, WASSCE. And then if it's private exams, you have to use this. And then if it's SS, the long time distance, the long time education before WASSCE, you can also pick this. So if it's let's say it's BECE, you just pick BECE school, and the year, you put in the year the person wrote the exams. Let's say 2022 or 2023, let's say 2022, and then you put that one. And then you can also buy the cars as we did in the earlier videos, how to check the placement. You can buy it from those vendors or anywhere, post office, any place that you go and get your cars. Then the first thing you have to put there is what the serial number. That particular serial number is on the card. You can just put that one there, and then the next thing you have to put is the what is the pin. So you just have to put the pin over here, and the next thing you have to do is to verify yourself that you are not a robot. So you have to click on that. Sometimes when you click on that, it's very easy, just like that. That ends it. But certain things, you have to come up with a picture so that you can choose those pictures that match up. And then after that, all what you need to do is to click submit. When you click submit, the next thing that you will see is the person placement, or the person the person resource slip. The person resource slip will pop up, and then a printing side will come out. Then you just click on print, and it will print it out for you. So this is how a resource slip is normally checking with this particular website, a resource. And then there is another one that we call Waec direct. That particular Waec direct tool, that one also we use it to check results, but it depends on certain cards. There are certain cards that need to use Waec direct, so you have to check. A person or a vendor can sell a distance for you, a card for you, and then the vendor will tell you that you have to use this particular a resource, or the person will ask you to use this thing, the Waec direct, because they will write it on the card. You get that? They will write those, all of them, all of that on the card, so that you can see that. And then over here too, that one too is very simple. You put the person index number over here, examination type. The examination type too is there. If it's WASSCE results that you are checking, you pick WASSCE school results. You get that? And then if it's WASSCE private, that's Northtech, you pick that one too. And then if it's BECE, you put that one too. If it is BECE Northtech, you pick private too. You get that? And then you can also use ABCE. All of them are there, and SSSCE. all of them are there. Any of them you can just pick them. So first of all, let's just pick WASSCE, just like that. And the next thing that you have to do, examination year, you have to pick the exams year the person wrote the exams. So let's say 2022, we put that one too. And then this particular place, enter date of birth, WASSCE private and BECE school only. So entering the date of birth only applies to people who wrote NOVDEC either in WASSCE examination or BECE. You get that? So those who normally follow the WASSCE, the NOVDEC result, they can put in their date of birth. You get that? And then if it's just a school, you don't need to put all this, so you can just leave it there, leave it. And then first of all, you put your e-voucher card, that is the serial number. You put the serial number over here, and the next thing that you have to do is to put the pin. The pin too is on that particular card. You put that one too there, and then over here you repeat the index number, just to confirm that that is the correct index number. You repeat it over here, and then examination year, you put the same thing over there, just like that. And the next thing that you have to do is to submit that one too. Then when you submit, a sub panel will just pop up, and then when they link that person, that fellow student results will just appear, and then you print it out. So that is how we check results slips using this particular Waec Direct and the e-resource. Yes, and it's very simple. It doesn't need more stress. Thank you very much for watching. This is ABN Graphics, and have a nice day.